Imagine working hard every day, yet somehow your bank balance never grows. Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're always struggling? Well, it's not just about how much you make, it's about how you manage it. Today, we're exposing 5 toxic money habits that silently keep you poor. And, most importantly, how you can break free from them. Make sure you watch till the end, because habit number 5 is the biggest trap keeping millions broke. Let's be real. Most people spend everything they earn, waiting for the next paycheck, like it's a life raft. The problem? No savings, no security. One emergency, and boom, you're in debt. How to fix it? Start by tracking your expenses and setting aside at least 10 to 20% of your income for savings. Even if it's a small amount, consistency is key. Here's the harsh truth. Depending on a single source of income is risky. If your job disappears tomorrow, how long could you survive? Wealthy people build multiple income streams. How to fix it? Start a side hustle. Invest in assets or explore passive income ideas like stocks, rental properties, or digital businesses. The goal? Make your money work for you. Ever told yourself, it's just a little treat, but by the end of the month, you wonder where all your money went? Emotional spending is a silent wealth killer. How to fix it? Use the 24-hour rule. Before buying something unnecessary, wait a day. If you still want it, buy it. If not, you just saved yourself money. Many people fear investing, thinking it's too risky or complicated. But here's the real risk: not investing. Inflation eats away at your money every year. How to fix it? Start small. Learn about index funds, ETFs, or real estate. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. This is the biggest reason people stay broke. If you don't have a plan for your money, someone else, like advertisers and banks, will. How to fix it? Set clear financial goals, create a budget, follow a wealth-building strategy. Whether it's saving for a house, retiring early, or building a business, have a roadmap. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Now it's time to take action. Which habit are you gonna fix first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a wealth-building tip. See you in the next one.